was already pre-bent. You know, they would split the ends of it was a number 6. They would split it, you know, inside there, and they would take and they would bend it and then place like a piece of like a veneer type stuff inside that bend and glue it and hold it with glue, and it would make their skis to hold that time.
All right, so it's going to show a few things about the slab here. One thing that's kind of a cool design that these guys did as part of the building construction is you see the lip in the bottom of the slab there, you know, and the siding comes down and, you know, hits right here so that you don't have to worry about rainwater getting in there. So that's kind of a neat detail feature there. Then we've got our 3/4 inch bolts for the main I-beam. And, you know, of course, the main I-beam will bolt there and come up and over. And then it's also tied into a concrete beam that was poured 14 inches deep, and I think it's like 6 inches wide, that goes all the way across. So it, you know, basically ties the concrete in, you know, into the building structure. So same thing there. There's 4 of those concrete beams going across, you know, footers. And then a 14-inch footer that, you know, runner that goes all the way around the edge. And then the rest is on 6-inch, 3,000 psi concrete. So you see in the back there, we got a little bit of plumbing done for a, you know, for a big utility sink that'll be in the shop. And then we got a bathroom, a shower, and a little kitchen, you know, stuff for a kitchen sink. So really minimal, really basic setup on that. All right, that's it. We'll either be back next week with videos of the shop getting erected, or it'll be 30 days, and I'll find out Monday. I'll make a vlog or something and just give you guys an update sometime next week and let you know. All right, thanks everybody.